Very good evening, friends. Meeting again in the session of Homeopathic Materia Medica. And today we're going to learn a very short remedy, Indian remedy, that is the Rauwolfia Serpentina. This drug has been has a very short description in Boericke's Materia Medica. It's just a clinical hints which are mentioned over there in Boericke's Materia Medica. I will going to share my aspect. I used to use this remedy in each and every case of hypertension. If the hypertension is of severe character without any atheromatous changes, and if it is much more to palliate, the Rauwolfia mother tincture is always useful. It immediately lessens the hypertension, it decreases the hypertension, and patient can be brought to the normal with the help of Rauwolfia Serpentina. So it's a best antihypertensive which we can use whenever there is a need to palliate the cases specifically of very high blood pressure. Many times I have given it to the patients who are having 230 by 130 or 220 by 110 or like that. Many times I have used Rauwolfia mother tincture 15 to 15 drops 3 times a day or 15 drops twice a day. And this works beautifully. There is another effect which happens because of Rauwolfia. The patient gets a very good tranquilizing effect, and because of which he sleeps very well at night. That is another effect which you can get with the Rauwolfia. Rauwolfia I have always used either in the 1x tablet or either I have used a mother tincture. If you want to read the Rauwolfia in detail, you must go through the Robin Murphy's Lotus Materia Medica, where you will get the thorough understanding about the Rauwolfia. Only one thing I want to highlight over there, the mentals which are not mentioned anywhere, which are very essential. This, the faces of Rauwolfia patients, they are generally expressionless faces like a Parkinson's patient. So it is one of the important remedy in Parkinson also because it covers the hypotonicity at the same time the tremblings of the hand that is not mentioned in Boericke's Materia Medica, but it is one of the important feature. Then second important thing, it is for the specifically those who are not able to concentrate. Rauwolfia is a very important remedy for that. The irritability can be very easily settled. Uneasiness can be settled with the help of Rauwolfia, and it is a good remedy for even for the depressive cases. Then there is one important feature is that the neurosis from anguish, that is one feature one should not forget related with the Rauwolfia. They are very much affected and they are in pain at the psychological level because of it. So maniacal depressive psychosis can be treated with the help of Rauwolfia if it is associated with hypertension. So this is wonderful remedy. One must learn it from Boericke's Materia Medica and use it in day-to-day practice. I used to use it very commonly in my practice in order to tackle the increased blood pressure. Rauwolfia serpentina, it is another name is Chandra. It is Sarpagandha, Chandrika, Chandra, Chotachan, Dhanmarna, Dhanbarua. There are many names, local names to this plant. It is from Apocynaceae family. Clinically, high blood pressure, irritative condition of the central nervous system. That is very important. That is why trembling you can get over there in this specific remedy. Insanity. Insanity is madness. That is a psychosis which you can see in Rauwolfia serpentina. Violent maniacal symptoms. So violent maniacal symptoms where the patient has gone into a maniac state or in the madness and he is not under the control. This is very important remedy to tackle. Fever specifically during puerperium, it is a wonderful remedy. In high blood pressure without marked atheromatous changes in the vessel. This is very important that there is no atheromatous changes and still hypertension is there. One must think about the Rauwolfia. And last point which Boericke has said, it also acts as a sedative, and that's the definitely a effect of Rauwolfia. If the patient says that he is getting the sleepiness after taking the Rauwolfia in morning, ask the patient to take it only at night Don't give it in daytime, but it very occasionally occurs. Once in a while you can get the symptom. Mother tincture is the commonest dose which I used to use, but another thing, 1x tablets, which are called to be a mother tincture tablets, are very good, because in order to travel, during traveling, mother tincture always is not useful. So it is always better to give it in 1x, and that helps to the patient. So that's all regarding the Rauwolfia Serpentina. Very, very, very useful in your day-to-day practice, and useful as an antihypertensive palliative. Good remedies, Rauwolfia Serpentina. So that's all regarding the Rauwolfia. We'll meet tomorrow, not tomorrow, on Monday, with some other remedy. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a good night.
Good night.